Here is North Buffalo after the lake snow squall massive storm that has killed, sadly, 13 people so far. And as you can see, we have absolutely, not even an inch, an inch, 2 inches, being, nice. But seriously, look, there is no snow barely comparable to what the South Towns have gotten. I'm walking at night, and I'm just trying to give you an idea of the damage that isn't here by the Buffalo Zoo. I mean, the snowdrifts aren't, I don't know if you can really see that. Let's just get over here. Just wait to see. This is like a different world. It's just a different world over here because there's just no snow. There's just no snow at all over here to even shake a stick at. Look at that. I can walk right through into the parking lot just about. Look at it. And then look at it over here. Look at that. No snow hardly to speak of. And I kid you not, the snowdrifts, look, this is about the size of it. Look, this is the parking lot. Totally clear, clean. No snow, no nothing. Just a small little 2-foot snowdrift out of a huge parking lot at the Buffalo Zoo. And there's nothing to talk about. There's the grass right there. There's my foot. Right, walking on the grass. But yes, and in light of all the damage that has occurred in Western New York, South Towns and North Towns, this is God's grace, God's mercy on certain locations which didn't pick up 3 feet of snow. Granted, even 1 foot of snow, not even. I survey, I'm just walking through the neighborhood, and there's a few cars coming. These are lights. See, all over there. See, this is just the extent. It's a little snow, but it's not that great. I mean, the roads basically, that's not good. Let's see, we're coming upon a few lights in the street here. And essentially, what we have here is God's grace and His mercy. See, look at that. There is no snow, barely. Just a little, look at that. Look, it looks just like a little frosting, little light, Look at it. You could, if it rains, it's going to rain. It's starting to rain right now. But as you look around here, there's not very much in the way of snow here in North Buffalo. And yes, though it's very slippery because it's a little icy. That's pretty much the only hazard in North Buffalo. And on that note, my beloved, I'm going to sign off here in snowy Buffalo. Shalom.